go out with you. Yes.
Well, I want the chili veggie.
No, you have this corrugate. This one from the morning already.
Back around.
Now the rest of coconut milk is okay. Okay, sorry, one more time. Before I continue explain you, yellow curry, potato, onion in after the rest of coconut milk. Green, add everything in but basil and red chili. And then everything in but chili. You cut them like this?
Yeah.
Don't worry, you don't need to cut at all. Okay, it's going to be too square chunk. No basil. Yeah.
Okay.
Not the basil.
Oh, too late.
Everything in the chili. Right, pea eggplant too? Would you love to someone? See the basil here, you don't need to cut them because you want to keep it green, you know, fresh green, nice and okay, when you have the ingredients that I'm telling you about, you don't need to stir them, stop stirring them, let it boil, because you stir it within the temperature. You haven't added the palm sugar yet, right? Please put it in.